guys, Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. Happy holidays to everybody. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I am so freaking excited. For those of you who celebrate, today is Christmas. I am so happy that I get to spoil one of you lucky viewers right now. I wanted to, of course, upload this video today so you guys could feel extra spoiled on Christmas Day. So what we're gonna be doing in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the entire giveaway package I've put for one lucky subscriber. This package is going to be filled with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. As you guys know, if you're regulars here on my channel or if you've participated in any of these giveaways before, I always try to take them to the absolute next level, and I really personally, I feel like this one is among one of the best ones I've ever done. Now, did you win? Definitely, guys, stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm gonna reveal the giveaway winner. I'm so freaking excited. Without any further ado, guys, let's jump right in. All right, so first things first, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm not gonna be opening any of the products that I'm gonna be showing you guys. I am gonna throw up photos so you guys can see the color stories and all of the beautiful things we're working with, but because of sanitary reasons, I wanna make sure I keep all of these items closed and so it's nice and fresh for the giveaway winner. All right, let's jump in. We're gonna start with the smaller items, and that's gonna be the lip stuff. We have a Supreme gloss. I don't know if you've tried this formula yet. It's absolutely lovely. I did do a dedicated video to that. I can link that up here in case you guys didn't miss it or if you were curious about it, but I love this formula. This is in the shade Wifey. It is such a beautiful color. I'm gonna put up here so you guys can see the swatch of it. I love it. I think it's so beautiful. I love the Supreme glosses. I love pairing them with the Velour liquid lipsticks. I love putting it on a little bit on top of that. It makes the lip look super juicy. It adds volume. I love. By the way, guys, if I forgot to mention at the beginning, if you're interested in this holiday glam look I have going here, I did post a video a couple of days ago. I did a little get ready with me. I did some gossiping in there, talked about all the celebs who blocked me. Definitely click that link if you missed it and you want to catch this look in action. But yeah, guys, let's see what else we got. Up next, we have a Velour lip liner. This is in shade Scorpio. I think this shade is perfect for pairing with any type of cool tone nude that you have. It's really pretty. It actually complements the next item in here, which is a Velvet Trap. This is in the shade Grave Digger. I think these two will look absolutely phenomenal together. Winner, definitely give it a try. Take a photo and let me know. I want to see how these two look together. I have a feeling it's going to look so gorgeous though. The next item in the lip bundles, we have Weirdo Velour liquid lipstick. This is such a staple for anyone's collection. If you don't like to rock black lipstick yourself, which honestly, that's understandable, these are absolutely usable for your eyes as well. I love using these if you're doing any type of funky, crazy look. Even if you want to do a liner, you can definitely do it with this. These are absolutely amazing. You guys know all about the Velour liquid lipsticks. I don't need to go into detail about that, but I'm obsessed. The next lip product we have in the package, we have a beautiful gloss. This is in the shade Mouthful, a super wearable color. You're gonna use the crap out of this. This is something that will live in your bag, that will work with anything. If you have no makeup, if you have a ton of makeup on, this is just a super beautiful gloss. It's very natural and stunning. It has a slight sparkle in it, but you can't really see it. It's not overwhelming at all. Such a beautiful gloss. Congrats to you, winner. All right, and the last lip items, we have two Velour lip scrubs. This one here was an exclusive. Ooh, where's the front of that here? This is Witch's Brew. This came with the Halloween mystery boxes. I got a bunch of them. I already told you guys I was gonna gift you one. So now here it is. Super great, but I wanted to include another flavor as well. So this, what is this one? This flavor is Candy Necklace, one of the absolute best ones in my opinion. So now you have two Velour lip scrubs to play with. All right, so that's pretty much it for the lip products. Now we're gonna move along to more of the eye products, probably among the best part. So first we have a smaller eye product. This is an automatic eyeliner. This is in shade Resting Rich Face. These are so great. I'm not sure why the brand didn't put out any more liners. I know he was testing the market by putting these out with the Blood Money collection. We haven't received any more yet. I'm very excited to try more. I would love a black liner from the brand, but this one is a beautiful green color. It's so great to add to your waterline if you want to add just a pop of color in. They last really great on the eye. They're really easy to apply, and that is the next item in the giveaway. Moving on to the next eye items, we have, bam, 2 mini palettes. I am so excited about this. This weirdo palette is brand new to the brand. It is freaking stunning. I don't know if you caught my tutorial using it, but it is so beautiful, very easy to use. I'm gonna throw up the color story here so you guys can take a look. When I first saw this color story, I wasn't thinking that I was gonna dip into it as many times as I have. It's a really conducive palette, if that makes sense. You can get a lot of different types of looks out of it. You can do soft, you can do bold. I love it, and the silver in here, wow. And then of course we have an OG, we have the Mini Controversy palette. This one though includes the green shade inside. The original one, as we know, did not include the green shade. This one does. You're gonna freaking love it. I'm gonna throw the color story up here for you to see. I wasn't as in love with this palette as I was the bigger Conspiracy palette, but this is super beautiful. I feel like the green really takes it to a different level, makes it a lot of a funner palette in my opinion. 2 eyeshadow palettes, I mean, like, that's pretty legit, that's pretty bomb. We've been doing pretty well in this giveaway. But another one, you are getting the cremated palette as well. You guys, of course, know this color story. It's absolutely stunning. This palette contains some of my favorite shimmers from the brand, so I'm really excited to be able to gift it to the giveaway winner. Now we're gonna move on to a new category that I've never yet included in one of the giveaways, and that is the face category. So typically I wouldn't include face category stuff because you need to obviously know the person's skin tone, and not everything is gonna fit with everyone, but these 2 products here will. This is the Magic Star Lavender Color Correcting Concealer. This stuff is frigging like magic in a bottle. I am so frigging excited, winner, for you to try this if you haven't yet. This is so great. Color correcting is truly life-saving and you're gonna love it. And then here we have the Magic Star Translucent Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Natural. This is pretty much gonna go with everyone. It's like it's slightly, like, and I mean slightly darker than the Translucent from this brand, but let me tell you, the Translucent is like chalk white. So this color is pretty much gonna go for a Translucent with a lot of, I'd say like 85% of people's skin tone. This is gonna be okay for a Translucent. So I wanted to include it in the giveaway for you. These are so lovely. They smell like cotton candy and they're delicious. Honestly, already really impressed with this giveaway, but we have 2 items left. We have a Supreme Frost. This is in the beautiful Money Honey shade. I had to include one of these. These are so beautiful. I don't typically like to wear them on my face, but as eye toppers, unbelievable. Out of this world shine. It's like you have a mirror on your eyelids. I swear to God, this is so beautiful. Such a stunning color. I'm gonna throw it up here so you can see as well. So beautiful. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think, in my opinion, that was a pretty bomb giveaway. But the last item, bam, you have a full mini velour liquid lipstick bundle. I wanted to pick more wearable colors, more Christmassy colors, and that is these reds here. When I think of Christmas, I think of a beautiful red lipstick. So this is what that looks like. These are such stunning colors. So pretty, guys. I hope you really enjoyed all of the items in this giveaway. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Drum roll, let's trudge up some suspense here. Bam, I'm gonna put the giveaway winner right here. Congratulations to you. Thank you so much for your continued support. Every comment, every like, every share, anytime you interact with my social media, it truly means the world to me. I am really trying to get out there, and with your guys' help, I've come so far, and I'm just gonna continue growing. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm gonna say this right now. Do not be discouraged if you didn't win. I always prevalently do giveaways here on this channel, to the point where people are like, dude, are you gonna relax on the giveaways? I am not gonna relax. I am not gonna relax on the giveaways, okay? Definitely do not be discouraged if you didn't win this time. You can win the next time. I have so many winners. We're gonna have so many more. So definitely, guys, don't give up. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year to you guys. I hope I come out with a ton more content to spoil you with, and I cannot wait for the next giveaway. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, leave me a comment down below, and of course, if you haven't yet, make sure you're subscribed. It's the best way to be notified of the next giveaway so you don't miss out, and I will catch you next time. Bye guys!